What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Jimmy Butler from the Miami Heat. Now we're going to begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the top of our circle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and bring that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top of the circle on the right side, and we want to bring that down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye, all the way around, and we'll line that up on the right. Let's go back and fill the inside of the eye in black, going around that highlight. Now we're going to place the eyebrows on top of the eyes. Let's start from the inside on the left. We bend this up and then out. Let's line this up over on the right, going up and then out toward the top. Just going to bend this out and then down along the side. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up a little bit higher in the middle, and then we'll taper that down towards the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to go in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Let's start over on the left. We'll bend this down, round up the nose, and go up on the right. Now let's step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down and draw on the mouth. Let's start over on the left, bend this down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side. I'm going to curve the top lip, going up and in towards the middle, round this out, and then go out towards the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom lip, going down and then up. Let's add the mustache in between the nose and the mouth. So in the middle, we'll draw two lines coming down. On the top left, bend this out and then down towards the corners of the mouth. And we'll fill in the mustache. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve this down, come in underneath the mouth, round out the chin, go out and up towards the right. And now we want to add the beard along the chin. On the left, then it's out and up, go to the right, do the same thing. And connect those ends with a curve, going down the middle, and then up, and we'll fill in the beard. Let's give our character some cheekbones. Starting over on the left, then it's in and then down. And we'll line that up on the right. Now from here we draw the inside edge of the hairline. Let's start on the left, we're going to go straight up, bend this in around the eyebrows, and go up and in towards the top. Let's close off the top with a curve, going up and then down. Now let's go out to the side of the head and draw on the ears. Let's start on the left, bend the ear going up, round this out, and then pull that in. Let's line the top over on the right and do the same thing. And we'll add the folds inside the ear. On the top left, we'll step down, then it's up and out. Go back to the inside. I'm just going to draw a hook, going around and back in. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the hair. Let's start from the inside of the ear, go up in an angle, and then bend that out. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up, and then bending that out. Now you're going to draw a series of small curves around the side of the head. Let's start on the left. We go out and in, and a smaller one, draw a larger one on the end. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and work our way across towards the top and back down on the right with a series of small curves. Now we're just going to vary the size, going a little bit larger, and then adding some smaller ones. And want to make sure we go up a little bit higher in the middle, and then slope this back down towards the right. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left, start with the sleeve. We're going to come down, and then bend that out. Let's go to the right. Come straight down, and bend that out towards the same height. Bend the body going out and down towards the hips. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, down, and then up. Let's go back up to the top and draw a V for the collar. And then we're going to add a stripe along the side of the body, starting up here, then it's out, and then down. Now you want to add the number 22 in the center of the body. Let's start on the left side. Start with the outside edge, all the way around towards the bottom, in towards the middle. Now it's going to trace the outside. Let's leave a gap and draw that again. Now I'm going to add the Nike symbol on the top left. Go down and bend that up and trace the top. Let's go back to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, bend this out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down, and then up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. I'm going to go up, round this out, and bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, bend this out, and then bring that down on top of the feet. Now we want to add some detail to the shoes. Let's start by taking this curve, stepping up, and just tracing that across the top of the sole. Along the top of the foot, let's add the shoe tongue. We're going to go up and then down with a half circle. Now along the top of the foot, we're going to add the laces. Starting from the outside, come in and down, pull this up and in. Now we're going to separate the laces with a series of curves, starting from the bottom and working our way up. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the shorts. Starting from the left, bend this down and in. Now you want to step all the way down and add another curve to the bottom edge of the pant. Let's go to the inside of the shoe tongue and draw the sock, going down and then up. Now we want to carry that stripe along the side of the shorts. Start with the left and then the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left. We're going to start from this point, bend the arm going out and down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle coming in and out with the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers along the bottom. Start from the bottom curve of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we go all the way around, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's add that strap across the wrist. Start from the top of the thumb, going up and then out. Step up and draw that again. Now we're going to have the arm on the right holding the basketball. So let's start by drawing a large circle on the outside, starting at the top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's add the lines in the ball coming down in an angle. Start from the top right, come down towards the bottom left, go up, and move this across. Let's add 2 curves coming in along the side. Starting from the top, coming in, and then back out. Now I'm going to line up the top of the arm on the right, then it's out, and then down towards the elbow. Got a straight angle line going in behind the ball. Let's go to the bottom, come down, and then the arm going out. Let's go to the top of the ball, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then we'll add 3 fingers along the outside. Starting with the top, leave a small gap, draw that 2 more times. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Jimmy Butler from the Miami Heat. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more NBA characters, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.